Hi, I'm Anna with WTI. And if you're a busy family like we are, I'm going to show you why you need this. So this black glass dry erase calendar, it's made for the wall. The size is a big 30 by 20, so lots of space to jot all the appointments, all the activities, everything down. I love the aesthetic of it. It fits in with my bouginess, with the black and the gold. It's totally up my alley. It's a dry erase calendar, so comes with a white dry erase marker. I just bought some extra ones that are different colors because we are a busy family. It does have the ability to be magnetic. I personally just don't use that. It is strictly just for a calendar for me. It does come with all of the wall screws, the anchors, the covers. It is a complete kit that you get with this purchase. It is honestly great for doctor's appointments, to-do lists. It can help with the kids' chores. You're having people over for dinner, or if you're going out for dinner, it really just gives that one place where all of the appointments, all of the events, everything is in one location, and it makes it so much easier, especially with my husband and I. He'll ask me and I'll say it's on the calendar, or vice versa. So if you want to keep your family organized and not miss any doctor's appointments, dinner parties, or even parties, then I highly recommend this black glass dry erase calendar. And that's my point of view.